In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Confluence macro. Macros are built-in blocks that add power and structure to your pages. They can generate a table of contents, display a status lozenge, or tuck long details into a collapsible section, all without any coding. Start by logging into your Confluence account, then head to the space and the page you want to work with. Open that page and click the pencil icon to enter edit mode. Once you're editing, you have two simple ways to add a macro. The fastest way is the slash command. Click exactly where you want the macro to appear, then type a /. A search menu will pop up right where your cursor is. Begin typing the macro's name, and Confluence filters the list in real time so you can zero in quickly. When you see the one you want, press enter or click it to insert. This is perfect when you already know the macro's name and want to move fast. If you prefer a more visual approach, use the toolbar. Look to the top of the page and click the plus icon labeled insert. You'll immediately see a list of common macros. If the one you need isn't in that quick list, choose View More at the bottom. A library window opens where you can search by name or browse by category like formatting or external content. When you find the macro you want, click it to add it to the page. Here are a few popular macros to try as you get started. Type /TOC for table of contents to automatically build links to all the headings on your page. It makes long pages instantly scannable. Use /status to add a colored pill that displays a quick label such as in progress or done. It's great for project trackers and change logs. And /expand creates a collapsible section so you can hide detailed text and keep your page clean while still making extra information available on demand. After inserting any macro, glance at the options it provides so you can tailor settings like which heading levels to include in a table of contents or the color of a status lozenge. Place macros thoughtfully and consider adding them near relevant headings so readers immediately see their value. Remember, both methods lead to the same result, so choose the one that fits your workflow. If you're not sure which macro you need, open View More and read the short descriptions in the library. It's a quick way to discover new options. That's all you need to start creating macros in Confluence quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching.